Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to go ahead and introduce our new products on my right hand. This cooking pot, and let me give the overall dimensions first. For the unit's diameters, it's about like 41 inches. And the overall heights, they are about like 39 inches in total. As we can see, the units, they come in with 4 different positions crossing the units. They're having the handlebars. The major body was made in by stainless steels, and the handlebars is made by stainless steels too. And also we're having the 2 holding bars on top of the lid. Everything is made by stainless steels. And when we open it, we can feel in this one have a little bit of weight. And the inner side of the units, we can see they do having the liter informations, the measurements on the side, and the maximum they are reaching about 675 liters for this big pot. So inner side they are polished, so it will be that means they will be easy for cleaning. And after you finish your cookings, and maybe have some oils or foods left on the surface, and this one's still easy to clean with the water. And that's what be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.